This is our class number 10 of Adobe Illustrator 2025. And in today's class, I'm going to teach you the text tool. So basically, when I have my text tool, it's going to show this type of symbol, like an eye type of symbol. It's really common and it's really popular. You must seen it every time, like you're clicking everywhere. Now, it's up to you. If you want to create one line, or if you want to create a whole paragraph, it's totally up to you. I know this lorem ipsum. It's something like it's default Adobe Illustrator and other Adobe as well, Adobe sites. And now let's just move on. So I'm just gonna delete this paragraph for now, and I'm gonna resize it. Now I'm gonna resize. It's just a basic. We can you see these cursors? You just need to move it. If you want to move it precisely, then do it like holding shift. Okay. So now, if you want to change your font style, your text, and even your bold, italic, and like that type of things, for that, what you're gonna do is that you're gonna like go. There are two ways to reach over there. One is in the toolbar, which is over here in the top side. Can you see we can change the what can we say the font style, and we can even change our like if you want to keep it regular or if you want to keep it bold, and so you can do like this. And if you want to even do a precise sizing and like you want to do it, so you can obviously do it from here. Now there is another way to reach the character panel. If you want to have more rich options, go over here. Character panel is on the top, like before the font style, and there are many more options around it. There's another way you can reach over here is that you can go into Windows and wait a sec, and then you're gonna scroll down and go in the type panel and click over your character, and the shortcut is like Control D. You can even use that. And these are some list options. If you want more options, go over here to these three lines and show options. And now it has more options. Alright. So I'm just gonna so first of all, what is it? It's the same thing, it's the size. You can change it from here. And now what is this? It's basically a space between different lines. Like for example, if I am taking it somewhat like this. Okay, I just need to make it a little big. Okay, so I made, so now what you're gonna do is that I'm just gonna select it and I'm just gonna make it a little small or just leave it as it is. So now I'm gonna tell you like how to, like this will create the difference in the lines. Can you see that from here it's looking really weird because the lines are all dragged together. And as I'm moving more farther, it is moving more. And you can even like change the settings by like selecting it like this, and you can use the arrow keys or you can directly type inside it. It's totally up to you. Now another option is that is this like it is the spacing between the alphabets, and you can change it like this. Like can you see it's getting, there's a difference coming between that and like that. I'm just gonna bring my page over here and my panel over here. Now let's just do it again. Now if for example if I want to do it like let's just do it 500 distance. So can you see how much it is like far away from each other? And that's the magic of the alphabet spacing. Now let's move on to this little panel, which is which is used to set the kenning between two characters. Now you might be a little bit confused. Now I'm gonna make your confusion gone. Like the abracadabra. I'm gonna zoom in over here. Okay. Just focus on this text. Okay. So I have this font right here. Now what this actually does? Can you see like where is that? can you see like my every spacing is equal except this T right here? Because like it's like over there more than like rather than here. So you can change the settings like this, or you can do is that. So you can basically change the movement around here, like so that it can like basically go and get a little closer to it. Let's see the perfect. Okay, I think the optical was way better because it was making the patterning between the alphabets way better. Now let's move on to our next example, which is basically, I'm just gonna take this. I'm gonna just, okay, I've selected this. Now what does this do? It basically increases the height of your object, and this increases the width and decreases. Well, I probably just keep it to 100. I don't use it like that much. Now it's just up to you. Now let's just have another example. I'm going to delete all of them. I just want to have another example. Another example I have to show you guys is like A. Now you might think like, are you bringing us back to our algebra? Well, no worries. I'm just going to teach you one thing little. I'm just going to continue from here. A squared and then plus 2AB plus B squared. Okay, so I'm just gonna delete this whatever it has been. Okay, so can you see usually the 2 and like the square is like a subset or like I mean a superset. Now how can we change the movements around them? So for changing the movements, I'm gonna select this, and now I can change. Oh wait, sorry, I'm just moving this. Now I can change it like to be that at the top. And I can do the same as well as to this. Now our A square and B square, the square is like above like a superset. There's another way to do this type of thing. The other way is that you can like either select it like this. I'm gonna select it. And this is over here a super script. If I'm gonna click over here now, this is way better than that one. But yeah, everyone have their own opinions. So I've created a superscript, and now if we will, like, if we want to create a subset, so and then some examples we can take is like CO and 2. I'm gonna select this, and this is now under. All right, I just need to see what happened right here. Let's just take another example like H2O. It's a very better example. Let's select this. Oh, I understand now. So basically the problem is that we actually kept it like that. Now if I'm gonna do it now, it's gonna be fair. Again, now it's done. So I created this H2O. Just keep an eye that your superset and the subset is not open while you're writing your text. Or it can like move it like randomly. Now let's just delete all of them. Okay, delete. Okay. I'm gonna take my text tool again. And this time I am just gonna write like a normal thing like this is text. Alright. We just wrote a funny little text. Now I can even do it all caps or small caps. So it's up to you. You can do it small caps or all caps. You can even underline the text, or you can like cut it between. Well, it's really rarely that we use it. It just cuts the thing and it's not that much there, and it basically strikes true. And this one underlines, this is small cap, all caps, superscript, and subscript. So I just wanted to explain one more thing. But before explaining that one more thing, I wanted to do is that I'm gonna go in the view, and I wanted to go in a pixel preview. Alright, the pixel preview, I know it's like really weird, but this is actually the preview if you will see in the pixels. Now, if you want to fix it, you can adjust it the way you want. If you will keep this none, it will look really distracted and it would not blur. Chris, it's up to you what you think is the most better one. Right now, I'm just gonna remove my view of the pixel view. I guess this one suits me way better than this. This basically describes the pixel preview of your text. It basically anti-aliases the method. It's okay. So I hope you all love this class. This is a little small little class. I know it's a little small, but because it's the introduction of the tech tool. In the next class, we are probably gonna learn like what do you say that we're gonna do something in depth in the text tool. Like it's gonna be our part number 2. This is part number 1 of text tool. So hope you love this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to share it to your friends. Bye.